your living and the dining area. So you can have a look at this is your beautiful and spacious kitchen area. You can have a look how beautifully and spacious. Hello everyone, this is Jetil from Housey and today we are here at Sapphire, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by 42 Estate. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus 1 media room villa at this project. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So we are standing on the main entrance of the project and this is the main entrance of your villa project. And once you enter, your marketing office is on the right hand side in the clubhouse itself and the land parcel is over here itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So as you can have a look, we are here on the actual construction site and the project is spread across 7.5 acres of land parcel consisting of total 92 villas, structure of ground plus 2 floors, having exclusive 4 BHK villa plus multimedia room premium. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you 40 plus world-class amenities, and basically the project is based on wellness theme. So for wellness, they are coming up with the temple, grand clubhouse, yoga lodge, kids play area, zen garden, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located near Bellaturu Main Road in Whitefield, Bangalore. So let me show you the connectivity. So basically this road in just few meters will connect you towards Bellaturu Main Road. So this is your 4 BHK plus 1 multimedia room model villa of 4,800 square feet super built up area. Let's start with the grand entrance. So they are providing with a private car parking facility for you all. And now let's enter towards your beautiful and spacious villa. So this is the entrance of your villa where they are providing with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And here you'll be entering towards your living and the dining area. So you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done over here. So this is a part of the living area. And here this side is a double heighted ceiling for you all. Living area has attached backyard as well. Let's have a look at this backyard. Once you enter towards this backyard, you can have a look with the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring over here and the garden space. Now once you step inside, let me show you the dining area. So here you can set your dining table over here, and this is the TV unit space basically. And even they are providing a window for ventilation purpose right here. Now with the easy access to your dining table, here's your kitchen area, and this is your beautiful and spacious kitchen area where you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done with the L-shaped platform, and the kitchen is much more spacious. You can even add up your serving platform right in the center of the kitchen. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now moving further towards your bedroom. So before that, let me show you here, even they have provided a sink area which is exactly opposite to your dining area. Now about your bedroom number 1. So on the ground floor, they are coming up with 1 bedroom. And this is your bedroom number 1 with a bed space. The wardrobe set over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose and with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your floor number 1, but before that let me show you, here's the provision for your lift and here's a staircase. So we'll be taking a staircase and we'll move further towards your floor number 1. Even you can have a look, they have provided a glass window for lighting purpose towards the staircase. So this floor welcomes you with a family lawn space, and this is a family lawn space for your get-together and where family bonds. So here you can add up your own couches, your sofa set. Here even they have provided a TV unit space as well, which comes with a toughened glass railing as well. So basically this floor comes with 2 bedrooms. Now let's have a look at your bedroom number 2. Once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look at this huge bed space. So basically interior speaks out for itself. This is your kids' bedroom, and let's have a look at the space in this bedroom. So after the bed space, here's the walk-in wardrobe area with a dressing area as well, where you can have a look, a huge wardrobe space, and right in front is the attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, here's a study table where you can add up your study table as well. The wardrobe set is here, and your kids need much more than just a bedroom. So basically, here's your balcony, which comes up with the anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, and this balcony has developed in total L shape. You can have a look over here where you can add up your plantation like this, which comes with toughened glass railing as well. Now moving further towards your master bedroom. So your bedroom number 3, that is a master bedroom, is exactly in front of this bedroom. But wait, before moving further, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey comes with actual location tool, with its sample flat and sample villa tool, with pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So let's enter towards your master bedroom. And the uniqueness is the flooring. So you can have a look at the flooring, that is wooden flooring over here. Here's a massive space that they are providing in this bedroom. Here's a grand bed space right in front of the TV unit space, where you can this side even add up your couches, your work table, and much more. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and a cross window for cross ventilation again, which again comes with walk-in wardrobe and a dressing area. Isn't it much spacious? Now even it is connected with washroom as well, with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your floor number 2. So again we'll be taking the staircase. You can have a look the quality of stairs that they are providing. And now this is your floor number 2. This is a common area basically, and here you can have a look with bedroom number 4. Once you enter, you can have a look at the bedroom. Again, this is much more spacious, right? Here's a bed space, again a space where you can add up your couches and much more things. 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose, and with walk-in wardrobe as well, which has connecting attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And the multimedia room is right in front of your bedroom number 4. So once you enter this room, you can have a look how beautifully and spacious this room is, and you can have a look the interior work. It is done as a home theater. You can use this room in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your kids play area in this room. You can add up your workplace or else the home theater like this. Now about another space. So here's the terrace area. Once you enter, you can have a look at the flooring, the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, and here's the roof cover space that they are providing, and even the open one. Again, here's a toughened glass railing as well. You can add up your bar counter, your much more things over here, and use this space as a family get together or a house party as well. Here's a utility space with anti-skid flooring and a provision for machine as well. So this was all about your 4 BHK villa plus multimedia room in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at 42 Estate Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do again let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.